The DJI Avata 3 specs have been revealed through leaked images showing the familiar cinewhoop design with major upgrades. The enlarged camera module suggests a bigger sensor, while relocated battery placement opens new possibilities. Most exciting is the switch to 4-blade propellers, a game-changer for thrust and responsiveness. Here's everything confirmed about DJI's next FPV powerhouse. The leaked images confirm DJI is sticking with the proven design philosophy while making strategic improvements. The relocated battery placement toward the rear of the aircraft creates better weight distribution and allows for the removal of the orange protective bumpers that characterize the Avata 2. This redesign suggests improved crash resistance through better component protection rather than external guards. The 4-blade propeller configuration indicates DJI is prioritizing thrust efficiency and responsiveness over the traditional tri-blade or 5-blade setups commonly seen in cinewhoop designs. The most significant upgrade appears in the imaging system. Leaked specifications point to a substantial jump from the Avata 2's 1/3-inch sensor to a full 1-inch CMOS sensor in the Avata 3. This will result in a massive improvement in light gathering capability and overall image quality. The gimbal system has reportedly been redesigned to accommodate the larger sensor while allowing greater upward tilt angles. Industry sources suggest the Avata 3 will capture 4K video at 120 frames per second, a great jump from typical FPV drone capabilities. This frame rate opens possibilities for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage while maintaining crisp 4K resolution. The larger sensor combined with improved processing power should deliver better dynamic range and color accuracy, particularly in challenging lighting conditions where FPV drones traditionally struggle. The enhanced video capabilities position the Avata 3 as a serious content creation tool rather than just a recreational FPV aircraft. While specific battery capacity details remain unconfirmed, the repositioned battery placement toward the rear suggests that DJI has optimized the power system layout. The 4-blade propeller configuration typically draws more current than tri-blade setups, which means DJI likely needed to balance increased power demands with flight time expectations. The improved aerodynamic efficiency from better weight distribution might offset some of the additional power requirements. Flight time specifications will be crucial for determining the Avata 3's practical usability compared to its predecessors. DJI's recent focus on artificial intelligence features suggests the Avata 3 will incorporate advanced flight assistance and automated shooting modes. The improved sensor and processing capabilities create opportunities for enhanced subject tracking, obstacle avoidance refinements, and intelligent flight path planning. These AI enhancements could make FPV flying more accessible to pilots transitioning from traditional camera drones while maintaining the manual control options that FPV enthusiasts demand. Current reports point to a late 2025 or early 2026 release window for the DJI Avata 3. The pricing speculation ranges from $1,200 to $1,500, depending on configuration and included accessories. The timing aligns with DJI's typical product refresh cycles and gives the company space to refine the manufacturing process for the new 4-blade propeller system and enlarged camera module. The DJI Avata 3 represents a thoughtful evolution rather than a revolutionary redesign. by maintaining the proven cinewhoop form factor while upgrading critical components like the sensor, propeller configuration, and internal layout, DJI appears to be addressing the specific feedback from Avata to users. However, success will ultimately depend on how well DJI balances the increased capabilities with flight time, durability, and the intuitive flying characteristics that made the Avata series popular among both beginners and experienced pilots. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts on the Avata 3 in the comments. Hit like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more updates and reviews.